I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio. And that was T'Challa, just running across the screen. Hi, today we're going to be doing a step tutorial because I finally remembered that there's another step that I haven't taught y'all yet. So, I learned this step as a soft shoe. That's what my teachers always called it. I know other people have different names for it, but I called it a soft shoe, so that's what I'm going to call it for this video. But just know that there is tons of terminology for every step. Like this step, I call that a Broadway. Some other people call it a Manhattan. Some other people call it a Shirley Temple. And I just found out some people call it a hiccup, which is like the cutest thing ever. I absolutely love that name. So, also I have to keep my porch door open because Bento decided he doesn't want to come in yet and I don't want to lock him out. So if you hear like random wind or airplanes that I'm hearing right now, that's why. But it's okay because the cats come first, always. Any other animal owner, yeah, if you have animals, you know what I mean. Like the counter, it's not mine, it's the cat's. The door, it's not mine, it's Bento's. It's cool. All right, so this is a relatively simple step. It is only composed of three things: a step, a flap, and a step. That's it. It's really adorable in how it's used though. So all you do is a step, a flap. So you bring the flap across it, just like right in front of it. So you have that step, you flap right in front of it, and then you step back with another step. That's the entire thing. You just have step, flap, step. And then you would go to the other side. So you, with your left foot, you step, you flap, and then you step. That's it. Step, flap, step. So it's 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. I like nearly missed the flap. Anybody else catch that? How do you miss that? Like, where did you go? Where did the floor go? So you have step, flap, step, step, flap, step. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. So it is in a waltz pattern. 1 and a 2, hold and a 3 and a 4, hold and a. So 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. So let's try that nice and slow together. Don't forget to put weight on your flap. Step, flap, step, step, flap, step. So make sure you're putting weight on it, okay? 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8 and a 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Again, 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Awesome. If you have any experience in ballet, there's a step in ballet that's a lot like this. I learned that step is called a pas de basque, but other people say it's more like a balancé. So I guess it just depends on how you learned it. Whole debate in my tap class last week. Just saying. So what I've learned as a pas de basque is step, touch, step, step, touch, step. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but that is what I learned, so it's not me you're correcting, I guess it's my teacher, but that's fine. I love pas de basques. It's so cool because you have to like come through. Super cute. I love ballet, actually. You probably wouldn't have guessed it because I am mostly a tapper, but I absolutely love ballet. So it feels like a pas de basque. But I learned it as a soft shoe. And then there's different variations that you can do where you can go like that kind of thing. Although again, I think I missed the flap, so when we try that again, you would do like 1, step, flap, much better. So you could do like different variations. I'll probably make a technique exercise with this step so that you can have practice with it now that you've learned it. But let's do it together a few more times. Let's do slow and then we'll take up the tempo with each other. Step, flap, step, step, flap, step. Okay? Step, flap, step, step, flap, step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, a little bit faster. Step, flap, step. Step, flap, step. 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, Awesome. Tiny bit faster, just do it one more time. Step, full lap, step. Step, full lap, step. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, full lap, step. Step, full lap, step. Awesome. And that's the soft shoe, or whatever you call it. So hopefully you have enjoyed learning this step with me today. I know it was a super short tutorial, but important that we learn all the different steps. And hey, short tutorials can be great things if you don't have very much time. You're just like, I feel like learning a step today. Bam. Also, in its parts, the step is easy. It's a step, it's a full lap, it's a step. It's when you put it together and start making it like pretty and put it in like different contexts, that's when this step can get a little tricky. But think about it in its simplest form: step, full lap, step. That's it. All right, well, I hope that you guys had fun learning this step with me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got step tutorials like this, technique exercises where I take these steps and put them in little combinations for you to practice. Or we've got choreography tutorials that I release every Saturday where you can learn a fun dance with me. Those are all levels. We have challenges and vlogs and all kinds of stuff. So please subscribe to this channel. It's the best way to support this channel is to subscribe. I have lofty goals. I would love to hit 100,000 subscribers at some point in my life. So please help me out by hitting that subscribe button. Also, it's free tap class, and you get notified of all the uploads every week. I upload new stuff every week, guaranteed. Unless something weird goes on in my life, I don't think I'll ever miss a week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the thumbs up because that tells YouTube people like free tap class, and who doesn't like free tap class? Also, fun fact, I know I'm releasing this way after today, but I am filming this on National Tap Dance Day. So even though it happened months ago from your perspective, happy National Tap Dance Day. I'm so excited that I get to do my favorite thing with you all the time. So yeah, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.